Hi, Alana. It's loading. Oh my gosh. I hope it will not be broken. Alana, you need a calculator. Hi, Ziyang. Guys, you need a calculator, so we're gonna be working fast. We might be here only for an hour. All right. So I have Ziyang. No, I'm attendance checking. So I have Ziyang, Alana. Who else is here? Hold on. Who is Yumo? Oh, Yumo is Ziyang. All right, guys, the pin is loading. Who's there? I have Yumo. Oh, no, I have Ziyang, Alana. Let's wait for them a little bit. Maybe like the way we use in a classroom, we wait for like 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah. Nico, you want to join? You want to answer questions? Why not? Hi, Jensen. Was Jensen here? I thought it was Jensen here. Yes. Oh my goodness. Jensen, this is my class. I have my students here, like Annie, Alana. These are my students from our school. Thank you for coming, Jen. This is math. Math lang to, math. You guys need to join. The code is there. You know the rules, right? You know how to use them. So Sarah and Alana is in. Annie, go. Oh my gosh. Jensen, what time is your, anong oras yung live mo later? Nagagala ka pa rin ba? Thank you for visiting, Jen. All right, who else did not join? So Alana's here, Annie's here, Seeing. Daddy can. You're so thirsty. Yeah, Daddy will give it to you. Okay. Sean, welcome in. Jensen Lalabs. First time ko magpakita ng mukha, mostly. What's a StreamYard? It's a kind of Google Classroom, but it's a StreamYard from that you could use in YouTube. You could also use this in school though. But we already have a Google Classroom, so we use Google Classroom. We use Zoom and Google Classroom in class. But if you want to go in a public and you want to invite everyone via YouTube, you could do this. You want me to try this in our class? No, I will be in trouble. You should not be. Though you're not showing your face, but your name is there. But I don't want to be in trouble in school. It's Saturday, so you guys are very, very good coming on Saturday to learn more math. Do you think they are coming? There should be 16, between 13 to 16. Little Nightbot. If you want to type the word math, they will drop your link and I'll join you guys after the class. $5 minutes waiting. How long should we wait? Alana, how long are you? There are only 11 people. Yeah, 11. But there are 11 people, but there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of you log in. But except Jen is not gonna log in. There's no question mark, just math. So Alana, you're my attendance monitor. Who's not in now? Sean is here. Let me see who's in. So Annie, Zing is here. Anne is here. And that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Magtatanggal ka ng ako ng mahirap talaga si. Magdala mo sa akin, nala ako ng makinig ako. Or hindi ka busy. Are you sure wanna stay? It's okay. It's okay daw na hindi ka magstay dyan.
Can I have my old teddy?
Visit ka lang, okay na ako eh. I mean, may magnang lang ako. Let's start. If they join, I will not close the. I will not lock it right here. I will not lock. So that they could also still join. All right, guys. All right, let's start. But make sure you have. Sean is here. Make sure you have your. Oh, Ayman is trying to join. Okay, cool. Make sure you have a calculator. So it's fast. This is so weird. The teacher live streaming. To be honest with you, it's my first time to show my face in a YouTube with you guys. You know our videos are just my voice. You never see me. Dito lang ako. Are you sure? Thank you. Mga 1 hour lang. I think this like less than 1 hour. Because we don't have enough time to review, and I have after school Monday to Thursday, so I only meet this group of people who are gonna be taking the state test only Friday, and we only have 1 or 2 more Fridays to come. Maybe 1 more Friday this year taking state test.
Yeah, 5 on.
5. I'm just waiting for Ayman, and then I think I prepared 25 questions, Alana. We didn't. I think there are 1 question that we already went through. On the KAHOOT. All right, let's start. Where is Ayman? Can we see the questions in the screen? Yes, but you need to get your you have to split your device to answer questions. If you have your cell phone, remember, and it's exactly the same as on how we do it in our class. Ready? Why is that late? Is that late?
This one is late.
All right, I would like to start. Ayman, are you in? Where's Ayman? Come on, Ayman. We're already like been here 1 more minute. We usually wait for 10 minutes. This is weird. Even here, we wait for 10 minutes. Sarah, sino nawala? Umina, who's missing? I know it's been like off and on. Come on, let's go. 1 more in, and we are all go. We will go. We'll start. Maury. Oh, that's Ayman. Oh, Tiffany, let's go. Oh my. Come on, guys.
6. There are 6 now.
That's fine.
6.
She just got the stream off. Who cut the stream? All right, I want to start. All right. So Ayman, just jump in if you're here. All right, let's start, guys. Is it posted homework? Yes, I did post the homework. Is that amazing? All right, let's start, people. So this is the New York State Test review session 1. I'm not sure if I could make another session. I'm gonna read to you the problem, okay? Like we usually do. I'll see your response over there. So Kate keeps 7 coins in her collection. This is 5% of her entire collection. What is the total number of coins Kate have? You have more than 1.5. Go ahead, guys. Oh, there's already one answer. Nice. So Kate have 7 coins, and that's 5% of the entire collection. I told you guys need your calculator. Lalabs Jen, sasagot ka. Why not? No, it's not. So 7 is 5%. So you're looking for how much is the total number of coins that she collected. Si Jensen daw malalefong.
6, please.
Oh. All right, perfect. There are only 2 people who did not get it correct. So 7 is 5%. You're looking for it 10%. This is the problem. I could not hear you guys. Your talk, Alana. What do we do to find to the 100%? Type in your chat. So this is the only difference. When it is in a Google Classroom, I could hear you. Here, I could only hear myself. So Alana. You guys need to pick the right button. All right. So to go to 100%, so that's gonna be you're gonna have 7 over x. You could have 7 over x equals 5 over 100. So this is gonna be your equation that you're gonna use, and you cross multiply and you divide. So that will be answer. All right. So that will get you 140. So they're gonna be 100 times x, and then 7 divided by 5, and then 7 times 5, and divide both sides by 100. All right, so let's go to the next one. Tiffany, bravo. Oh, it's the same thing, okay? You're gonna get extra credits for me from school on your next test. Top 5. Oh, let's make it top 3. We'll get 107, and then the rest of you who participate will get 5 extra points. So what is the greatest common factor of 36 and 90? You got 30 seconds for this question. Greatest common factor with 36 and 90. What happened? Classroom protection. All right, so 1 got it wrong. So the greatest common factor between 36 and 90 is 18. We guys know this, right? Next question. But with that, we got Tiffany again, and he's next. Question number 3. The relationship between Robert's age, with the letter R, and Julia's age, with letter J, can be represented by the equation shown below. R equals J plus 3. So which of these 4 table shows the situation? Don't do that. Again, it's R equals J plus 3. I think we did this question before. Sean, you had to go to the stream. You could go to the YouTube and you could see it back over there. Then use your cell phone to pick the answer. Remember, it's R equals J plus 3. So these two, I don't know what happened. So if you go to the orange one, it says R is 9. So it is, the R is J plus 3. So if you look at that, J is 6 plus 3 is 9. 12 plus 3 is 15. It looks all the answers, those tables look the same, but you had to follow the equations. Next. So Annie is still there. I hope I did not copy a wrong question. It was like in a rush. All right. The coordinate plane shows a polygon with 4 vertices. Graph -5 and 5, 2 and 4, 6 and -2, and -3 and 6. So which of the polygon it is? Oh, oh boy, they said it's too close. Make your screen I didn't realize that. It is smaller than our, is it smaller than the Google Classroom work we got? It's okay, Sian. Just guess. We're gonna go over some questions when we come back. Picked the wrong, but oh well. You know right away as soon as you answer them? Oh. Yeah, okay. I hope our internet is not gonna die on me. I can see the video. It's hard to see. I'm sorry. I never realized that. So, okay, I never realized that. But if you're just gonna look at the points, well, okay, it's okay. The pictures are too small. I mean, like, too light. Next one. Anne is still up, and Sarah is still there. Next question. This is easy. So 12 minus 9 plus C equals 12. So simplify this. Si Nico hindi magkakaroon ng gift. Sige. Maingay. Ha? Kulang sa pansin. Kasi si Mami nagtuturo. Also, it's very delayed. Okay. Oh, everybody got it right. Love it. Thank you. Yes. Next. Sarah, Annie. There you go. So what is the value of the expression 3 squared parentheses 2 to the power of 3 plus 4 divided by 2 to the power of 2? You guys have 60 seconds. You need a calculator? I'm looking at the big screen, so it looks like I'm looking out. 2 answers? 13 seconds. Oh, Mario get it right. Yes. So 3 squared, if you're gonna hear, is 3 squared. So that is 3 times 3, which is 9. 2 to the power of 3 is 8 plus 4. Then you multiply to 9 and you divide it by 4. All right. So the answer is 27. Simplified. Next question. Or Sarah, where I needed to get out from you. So next question. The grid below, oh, this might be blurry again, but still. The grid below is the shape of a rectangle. What is the area of the shaded part of the rectangle? This is easy. Is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
40.
It's easy, I know. I think I got it right. I think you were able to get it right. Remember we had this kind of question last time? Sean is got it right. Where are my 609? Five seconds. Daddy. Baka maano yung music. Okay. All right. So why did guys get it right? This is that shape is a triangle, right? It is half of that rectangular shape. So it is 48, the total area of the rectangle, but you had to cut it half because you're only looking for the shaded area. So 48 divided by 2, that's where you get 24, not 48. All right? Tricky question? Actually, it's not. It's a triangular shape. They just tell you that the shape is a rectangle, but you're looking for the area of the rectangle, of the shaded region. They usually give that to you. Sarah is up back. Alana is there. Yay. Let's go next. Question number 8. Devin has 6 teaspoons of salt. The ratio of teaspoon to tablespoon is 3 to 1. How many tablespoons of salt does Devin have? He has 6 teaspoons of salt. The ratio is 3 to 1, teaspoon to tablespoon. How many tablespoons of salt does Devin have? Oh, wow. So remember, I could write. I hope my pen works. So remember he got 6 teaspoons. Let me put this down. All right. So he got 6 teaspoons. Like let's make it small t. We don't know what's that. And then he got the ratio of tablespoon to teaspoon to tablespoon is 3 over 1. So we don't know what is that. So 3x, right? And then we get 6. We divide both sides by 3. So your answer is what? Answer is 2. All right? We forgot already relation proportion, how you solve them. So next question, guys. Question number 9. Which expression is equivalent to the phrase the quotient of the sum of 2 and t twice cube of s? The quotient of the sum of 2t and 2 twice the cube of s. A little bit wordy, but chop them in small like sections, you will get them. Is it hard? Quotient of 2t and 2. I mean the quotient of the sum. The quotient of what? Sum of 2t and 2 and the cube of s. So if you look over here, oh, everybody's got it right, so I don't need to explain. All right, next question. He said, how they get that? Huh? Oh, may sang. I thought there's everyone got it right. All right. Sarah is but Alana is running half ahead. Question number 10. Here we go with fractions. Joe paint shelves. He has 5 1/4 gallons of paint. Each shelf needs 3/4 gallon of paint. How many shelves he can paint? Again, he has this bucket that has 5 1/4 gallons of paint, and he got like shelves, and each of the shelf needs 3/4. So how many shelves he can paint? Three answers already. Bakit naglo-loading yung sayo? Did Ayman came? Is Ayman Mori? Yeah, right? Ayman was, his name is Mori. Yay! Wow! You guys are amazing. So, perfect. So, you need to know how many 3/4 are there in 5 1/4. So, there are 7. Perfect, guys. Next. Sarah is still the top. Question number 11. Almost the same problem as the previous one. Carl has 9 1/2 pints of ice cream. Each can get 3/5 pints of ice cream. How many quests Carl can serve? What? How many guests? Even here, we'll never perfect. Never. I'll never remember what the work that we've done is correct. That word quest is guest. Okay. Carl has 9 1/2 pints of ice cream. Each can get 3/5 pints. So how many guests Carl can serve? Nice. So I think you just got a misclick for this one. Whoever is that, I'll bet it's a misclick. So Sean said, yes, we got this. But except for this one, misclicking. Be careful. Harwana Suhat, Sarah, Sean, you need to go up a little bit more. Let's go. Next question, guys. Buses starts at 6 a.m. Bus A takes 75 minutes to complete his route. Bus B takes 15 minutes to complete his route. When will be the buses leaves the station at the same time? What is the time that this bus A and B will leave the station at the same time again? So the bus starts at 6 a.m. and the bus A needs 75 minutes to make his round, and the bus B takes 15 minutes. So when will be the next time that they leave the station at the same time? I cannot fit all the question, guys, in this one. It only allowed me 200 letters, 200 like characters. So rephrasing them, sometimes we omit ideas. But the idea is they are at 6 a.m. Both of them, A and B, leave. But the bus A will come back in 75 minutes. Bus B will come back in 15 minutes. So when is the next time that they go out again together? Tiffany, why did you guess? Is this an LCM question? Yes, it is. All right, it's spread out. The answer is spread out. So Alana is asking if it is an LCM question. That's correct. So what is the LCM of 75 and 15? Right? And then you break it into time. So they're gonna both go out at 7:15. Oh, you guess. Because maybe it's like big number. We usually have a small number of 6 and then 36 or 42. But anyway, Annie said 75 divided by 5 is 15. So bus B will take 5 rounds. And in a 6th round, both of them going to go out at the same time. There you go. Next question. Question number 13. Which number has an absolute value greater than 5? Which number, be careful of this one. This is a tricky question. So which number has an absolute value greater than 5? It's only like 10 seconds. So all of them take the absolute value, and then the absolute value of -6 is greater than 5. Yep. Next. No, one will not able to catch up the answer. 14. This is also small. Sorry, I'm going to give this back to you again next time. So a bakery makes 9 cakes using, I can't even read it, 3 bags of flour. The bakery uses the same ratio between the cake that made the amount of flour to make all their cakes. Which table belongs to relationship the number of cakes the bakery makes and the number of bags of flour they uses? Again, the bakery is using 9. The bakery is making 9 cakes in 3 bags. 9 cakes in 3 bags. Nine cakes in 3 bags. Nine cakes in 3 bags. So which of this table has the correct ratio? 9 in 3. 9 cakes in 3 bags. Why? What did you get wrong? Yeah, the ratio is, you could do 3 to 9 or you could do 9 to 3. It depends which one. Oh, it's spread out. So if you could see, it's really late. If you could see, yeah. If you could see which one represents everything, it should be the yellow option because it's consistent to the ratio of 9:3, right? 9:3. That is 3. 12, 4 is 3. 15 divided by 5 is 3. All of them is equivalent to 3. Or if you want to do the ratio of 3, 9, it's 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 all the time. All right? So let's go next. Question number 15. We're almost there. Half of the time. That's why I said it's only 1 hour. Volume of a cube. We guys have not touched this much yet in geometry, but we have learned evaluating expression. So the volume of the cube can be solved using the formula V equals S to the power of 3. What is the volume of the cube with the side of 2.3 centimeters? Good luck. How will you know you got it right? Ah, hear me lang just say, hi, Mr. Zen. Mr. Zen. Thank you for coming. Thank you for the visit. These are my students, Mrs. Zeng, in school. We're running out of time doing review because the state test is in the first week to the we don't know our schedule, so we run. Okay, so how do you get this? You're gonna multiply 2.3 times 2.3 times 2.3. You might have multiplied 2.3 times 3. What is it?
2.2 times 2.2 times 2.
Oh, I got it wrong.
It should be 12.167.
I'm sorry. I have a checker, and it said I pressed the wrong correct answer. What was your answer, guys?
12.167.
Yes, Alana, that is correct. Okay, I had to take. It's never perfect, no matter what. So that's question number 15, because I'm gonna give this to the other math teachers for their class. Not all of them are here. So question number 15 needs correction. Yes, that's your answer. Yes, Sean. My bad. Like sometimes when you do the work and it's too fast. I reviewed this. I don't know what happened. Maybe I missed it. But we know that it's 2.3 times 2.3 times 2.3, and it should be the green one. It's okay, Alana, even you lose your streak. Sorry for that. Next. So I knew right away there will be question wrong. Tim has 8 1/4 feet of wood. He wants. Right, that's number what? Number 16. Grammar. He wants to cut into 3/4 foot length. How many 3/4 foot of wood will Tim get? Mr. Zing, you need to teach me how to let people go up in the StreamYard. So Tim has 8 1/4 feet of wood. He wants to cut into 3/4 foot length. What is the how many? Oh, you guys are amazing. All right, fine. Chicken. This is the kind of question you love. I'm about 90% positive you got it right. Yes. Why is 90%? You just have to say I am 100% correct. Sarah. Now, question 17. Oh, this is easy. Everybody should get this correct unless I make the options wrong. A zoo has 15 tokens and 60 parrots. What's the ratio of the number of tokens to the number of parrots in the zoo? This is an easy question. It's only 30 seconds. Yay! Only 4? Where are the other 3? You guys didn't answer? But anyways, you always have to remember the ratio that it was given to you. It says the number of tokens to the number of parrots. You cannot switch them around. Then you simplify them, and it becomes 1/4. Okay. Next. Code immediately got you wrong. All right. All right. Next question. Question 18. Leah used 231 eggs. Maybe she's baking a cake for everyone. 41 were brown and the rest of them are white. What is the equation that represents the number of white eggs used? You don't have to solve this, you just have to write the equation. Two more. Okay, so you guys are perfect. So 46 plus the white one, the total is 231. Yes, it might be baking. It might be actually, this is a problem in the state tests. I think it's a bakery. They're baking cakes for but I could not fit all the questions in, so I just rewrite them. Question number, I think we're question number 19. Yep. Which expression is equivalent to 9 times 9m plus 3t? Yeah. Annie, do you bake cake? You know how the number of cakes? It might be for the entire flashing. Or for the entire IS 237 6th grade. Sinalo yata. Alam ko na yun. Nagpupukpuk na naman siya. Yes, everybody. So it's really good that we learned this already, right, guys? All right, perfect. You guys are good. Next one. Question number 20, I guess. Yep. Few more to go. Which set of values make the inequality n should be greater or equal to -5? Should be greater, n should be greater than or equal to -5. You don't know this? Well, just listen to the question tip. It says the letter n, the number should be greater or equal to -5. It should be greater or equal to -5. Just get that idea and pick which one of those red, blue, orange, and green is greater or equal to -5. But it should be greater. Okay, so yeah, you could have two options. But which one allows you to pick all greater than -5? Wow, it is spread out. So if you look at this, the n, this is our lesson when we come back on Monday. So n should be greater than -5, right? So it means that the numbers is less than -5. The n must be greater than -5. Remember, when you have the negative value, the closer to 0 is greater. So the red is deceiving numbers because it looks like big numbers, but actually they have less value, right? Yes, that's true. So Alana realized that usually it's deceiving, especially we have time. All right, Sarah is up. Took away the spot of Alana. All right, next question. Question 21. Ice cream shop sold 48 vanilla in a day. So that is 40% of the total that is sold for that day. So find the total ice cream sold that day. So the ice cream shop sold 48 vanilla in one day. So, and that is 40% of the total number that they sold for that day. So find the total number of ice cream they sold. Let me see. I hope I didn't see the right answer then. I have a feeling that we put the wrong answer again, but I hope not. Oh, okay. It's not. You put the right answer. Oh, you know, let me. Yes, everybody got it correct. You know what's a shortcut? You know that 48 and 40, you could take half of that. Then you know that 20 times 5 is 100. So you multiply 48 times 5. You get that if you don't have a calculator. But you have a calculator, so you should get it right. Perfect. So Sarah is still up there. Question number 22. Which expression represents the phrase 3 fewer than a number? 30 seconds. What is the clue word that we used to have? Fewer than a number. You don't have a calculator? Sean, you have that, what do you call that? Calculator brain, so you'll be fine. Aha! I knew it. So because of that word than, you switch remember we switched the relationship of those two expressions, -3 and the n. Because of that word than that we compare. Yes, that's true. All right, let's go next. Question number 23. We're almost there. What is not part of the solution to the set of inequality below? Here we go. As an inequality again. What number is not part of the solution of the inequality below? So W minus 10 must be less or equal to 16. It should be less than 16. The W is so obvious, but there are two options, so you have to pick which one. What the W should be. Remember, it's 2 steps. It's not a 1-step equation. Oh, everybody answered already? I have a feeling I have to get ready with my magical pen. You got it? Is it so obvious? Okay. All right. So we still be using the same way with equation. So plus 10 both sides is plus 10 and plus 10. So W should be greater or equals to 26. You have to. Who didn't get it right? Oh, come on. All right, next question. Question number 24. Sarah, you're still up. Kira decorates the exterior faces of the gift box. This is the gift box, all right? So, what is the surface area of the cube? So, this is the cube. You know that there are 6 faces in this cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are looking for the area of the total space. I mean, it's a cube. The sides are all the same. So good luck. I hope you get this right. Chances are is 16, so it's 27. Oh, it's 6.5. Sorry. $12 seconds.
Are you done?
Almost done. There you go. Everybody got it right, except for a misclick. I'll take misclicking is always our problem. So perfect, guys. So there are 6 faces. There are 6 like squares, and you find the area. So 6 times 5 times 6 times 5, and then there are 6 of them. So you multiply it to 6, or you add. Yeah, you could do that too. 6.5 squared. Next question. I think this will be our last question. Yeah, perfect for 1 hour. Ken has 25 necklaces. Tam makes M more necklaces than Ken. Which expression represents Kim and Tim's total necklaces? Again, it's for Ken and Tom. So Ken has 25. That's no problem. But then Tom makes M more necklaces than Ken. So how do you find a total number of necklaces? Wow, 3 of you are stranded. We misclick. The blue one is just for Tam, right? The blue one is just for Tam. So it said Tam makes M more necklaces than Ken. So that only represents Tam's number. And then you got 25 for Ken. And the question is, what is the total? So it's 25 plus whatever is Tom is. So Ken and Tom together. That's why the answer is red. Podium, I sadly can't get the first place. It's okay, Alana, that you could take it on our session 2 if we have session 2. Podium, let's hear it go. Ziyang is for the 3rd place. Ziyang, you're gonna get 5 extra points for our next test. Number 105. Alana is the 2nd. Who's the 1st? Sarah! Woo-hoo. And Sean and Nico go in. Nico go in?
Yeah, I'm in group 5.
You're in Nico?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. All right, guys.
Nico is a 6 years old.
All right, guys. I'm so glad that we reviewed today. So at least this questionnaire, this set of questionnaire, will be out of our way, and then I'll make the on Friday when we meet. We're gonna do the next questionnaire. Okay. So I'm not really sure if we could do 2 more sessions from our regular extra credit. Yeah, no, you got extra credit for all of them. How many extra credits does the second place have? You got 5. The first one is 7, and the second, third, fourth, and fifth got 5. And the rest who participated, well, you only have like 5 of you, so there you go. I won't be here next Friday. Good that you come today. Then you could come on next session. I will see when I could do it. Maybe next Saturday. We'll see. I will see you on I will see you on Friday, and we'll see if I could do session 2. If not, then we'll just do Fridays. Next Friday. Miss Click Army. Yes, this is my Miss Click group.
So give them points.
Oh, somebody like Ali. All of you got 7 points. 7 extra points in your next big test in the class. All right, so Sean, Alana, Mr. Ching, 7 points. Annie, Tiffany, who else? Who's you, Morgan? Ayman, Annie. I'm gonna just go check, guys. I could check your score in the what do you call that, in the stream. All right. So if you don't have any question, I'm letting you go. Oh, it seems like I have a class. I'll see you guys in school. Bye. See you for. Thank you for coming, guys. How many points did it get? 7 extra points for your next test. Ayman's name is Maury. Okay, I got it. All right, everyone, you could go. Thank you for coming. I'll see you guys in school. No question, Mr. Ching. No question. Don't ask me anything, Mr. Ching. And Kanahos. Yes, yes. You have to teach me how you let you guys come up here. Bakit ka nagstay? Talaga nagstay ka? Stop sharing. How could I stop sharing? See you on Monday, Yanni. Thank you, Mr. Cheng. Bye, cousin.
Go on the
How could I stop my this one?
Go on the
Wait, let me make it bigger.
hindi ka stop.
That's true. Oh, I could invite Mr. Zhang. Don't go yet. I need help in how we could like make this. So I could copy to the clipboard. And then what will I do? And put it here. Yes, Stephanie, you got 7 extra points. Is that how it is?
There's something here that
Oh.
this is.
I'm gonna
stream
stop
like
the
that.
share and stop this screen. Oh yeah, there you go. Then I'm my own. Jensen, just quiet and listen, okay? Yes. Who are you? Who you ask them to be quiet? Bye. Bye, Tiffany. I'll see you in school. I'll see you Monday. 7 points on your big test. So let's say you got 100 plus 7, so you got 100 points. 107 points. So paano ko kayo, how could I invite somebody to go out? Bye, Tiffany. Thank you for coming. I'll see you Monday. Bye-bye. Oh, so I had to make this one. Kaya manahimik na lang tayo. Tapos na, no?
15 watches. So, nandiyan pa sila ng mga.
No, pinalayas ko na.
They're still there.
Who?
Yung mga estudyante.
They're still here? How? You guys need to go. Bye.
There's still 15 watches.
I could see. But dapat si Mr. Singh lang, tapos si Jensen ang nandito. Type 1 and go. Who's Mr. Zhang? Mr. Cheng, how do I pin a hagdan? So you could come up here, dito. And then turuan mo kung paano gawin. Bye-bye, Jen. I'll see you in your LS. Nine na lang. Okay. Good. I'll turn on my camera, okay, guys? I'll wait for you to go. Ayun. 9 pa din. Salamat. We'll make another session, everybody. We'll make session 2 if it is allowed. If you are allowed to. All right, see you, Mr. Zhang. Let's see you next time. Invite me for dinner, not for math. Ay, naku po, Lord. All right, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna let everyone go.
Okay, bye-bye.
Sino yung 9?
Tatlo lang yun sa akin. May mga estudyante ka ba? Mag-ano ka na? Pwede ka naman mag-out.
Kaya nga. All right, bye-bye. See you next time. Next time ulit. Bye, Mr. Cheng. Bye-bye. Bye. See you mamaya ka tsaka Dora kung o-open siya.
Pupunta kami sa ano, di ba?
Ha?
Pupunta kami sa kayo sa
Oo, tayo.
hindi kami sa
Oo nga pala. Thank you, Mr. Zhang. Next time, ha? Mamaya kung bukas si tsaka Dora, see you there. Alright, bye-bye. I'm gonna close na.